Hi, me again. The glorious Lake Michigan. Very nice. Is this thing recording? Very good. Okay. Over there we have Chicago. Over there we have somewhere else. And yeah. So as you can see, there are seagulls here. There's three flying over there. And it's fairly nice weather. And the wind is always windy. Illinois for you. But yeah, so apparently I'm sitting on these steps of epicness, and there are no seagulls in the immediate vicinity. So I guess I'll go check out the boatyard. Boatyard that way, and hopefully we will find some seagulls. Hehehe, the water is green. Ish blue. Just rock down there. As you can see, the rocks of no return. Hey look, moss, or lichen, or seaweed. And also, the great thing about this beach is that there's like little caves, like down there and stuff like that, all around these rock formations. And yeah, they make great hiding places for hide and go seek in an epic style. So, yes, America. And yeah, so we'll go find some seagulls. See you.